Hey guys, Josh at Dee Zee Manufacturing, and today I get the pleasure to introduce you to our new tailgate boards. It's really a new spin on a product that Dee Zee's been building since 1977. We've been making tailgate protectors out of stainless steel and aluminum for a long time. This is just a new twist. Food grade plastic, integrated cup holders, OEM mounting locations. We do give you some extended hardware to go through that additional depth that you have there. But it gives you a nice flat surface to do all your cooking and prep work for camping or overlanding, as well as you don't realize how uncomfortable a tailgate is until you sit on a nice flat surface. So check these out. We have most of the modern mid-size and full-size applications available today. And then be on the lookout later this summer when we do version 2.0 that's going to give you even more functionality to this great product.